Most people think a car is finished once it crosses 150,000 miles. Some even start shopping for a replacement long before that. But what if I told you there are cars quietly driving around today with 300,000, 400,000, even over 500,000 miles on the original engine? These aren't exotic supercars or million-dollar collector vehicles. They're ordinary cars that most people overlook. Some were so well engineered that mechanics still recommend them decades later, while others have built a reputation that borders on legendary. And the car at number 1 has survived mileage so unbelievable that many people refuse to believe it's even possible. Let's get started. 10. Toyota Avalon Luxury usually comes with expensive repairs. The Toyota Avalon broke that rule. Built using many of the same dependable parts found in the Camry, the Avalon combined comfort with one of Toyota's most reliable V6 engines. Owners regularly report these cars crossing 300,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. Mechanics often joke that the body gives up before the engine does. Its naturally aspirated design means fewer complicated components waiting to fail compared to modern turbocharged engines. Many Avalons have spent decades as family cars, road trip machines, and daily commuters without major engine work. But while the Avalon is impressive, the next cars become famous for surviving some of the harshest driving conditions on Earth. 9. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord isn't flashy. It doesn't need to be. For years, it earned a reputation as one of the safest bets if your goal was long-term ownership. The secret wasn't magic. Honda focused on simple engineering, efficient engines, and transmissions that, when properly maintained, could keep running for decades. Taxi companies around the world have trusted the Accord because downtime costs money. And when a business depends on reliability, reputation matters. Many owners proudly post odometers showing well over 400,000 miles, proving that careful maintenance often matters more than expensive repairs. But the next vehicle doesn't just survive city streets. It's famous for surviving places where roads barely exist. 8. Toyota Land Cruiser. If reliability had a king, the Toyota Land Cruiser would demand a seat at the table. This SUV was designed to work where help might be hundreds of miles away. Deserts, mountains, jungles, remote villages. Toyota knew failure wasn't an option. That's why many Land Cruisers were intentionally overbuilt with stronger frames, durable drivetrains, and engines designed to tolerate years of punishment. 8 organizations, governments, and explorers have trusted them for decades. Some examples have traveled the equivalent of driving around Earth dozens of times. And we're only getting started because the next vehicle might surprise almost everyone. 7. Lexus LS400. Luxury cars usually become financial nightmares as they age. Not this one. When Lexus introduced the LS400, Toyota wanted to prove it could outperform Europe's biggest luxury brands. Engineers reportedly obsessed over every tiny detail. The result was one of the smoothest and most reliable V8 engines ever produced. Many owners describe the car as feeling almost new even after hundreds of thousands of miles. Its legendary build quality turned what should have been an aging luxury sedan into one of the most dependable vehicles ever made. But our next pick became legendary for an entirely different reason. It simply refuses to die. 6. Volvo 240. You don't buy a Volvo 240 because it's exciting. You buy it because it might outlive you. Its boxy design earned plenty of jokes. Its reliability silenced them. The engines were simple, the electronics were minimal, and repairs were straightforward. That's why these cars became favorites among families, students, and mechanics alike. Stories of Volvo 240s crossing 500,000 miles aren't rare. Some have even reached much higher. The amazing part? Many are still being driven today. Yet somehow, the next vehicle developed an even stronger reputation in one specific industry, where reliability means everything. 5. Ford Crown Victoria. Police departments don't gamble with unreliable cars. Neither do taxi companies. That's exactly why the Ford Crown Victoria became legendary. For years, these sedans spent nearly every day idling, accelerating, braking, and repeating the cycle thousands of times. Most cars would wear out quickly under those conditions. The Crown Vic kept going. Its naturally aspirated V8 was simple, durable, and surprisingly easy to repair. Fleet mechanics loved working on them because parts were affordable and problems were predictable. Some taxis reportedly stayed on the road for well over 500,000 miles before retirement. But if you think that's impressive, wait until you see the pickup truck that practically became a legend among workers. 4. Toyota Tundra. Toyota didn't just want to build a truck. It wanted to build one owners could trust for decades. The first-generation Tundra quickly gained a reputation for incredible durability. Construction workers, contractors, farmers, many chose it because it simply kept showing up every morning. One famous Tundra even crossed 1 million miles, prompting Toyota to study the truck and understand how it lasted so long. The original engine was remarkably clean inside despite its incredible mileage. That story only strengthened Toyota's reputation. But believe it or not, our next vehicle has quietly been matching those kinds of numbers for years. 3. Honda Civic. Almost everyone knows someone who owns a Honda Civic. There's a reason. Its lightweight design places less stress on the engine. Its fuel-efficient four-cylinder motors have earned worldwide respect. And replacement parts are available almost everywhere. Because repairs are inexpensive, owners are more willing to keep maintaining them instead of giving up. That creates something unusual. Cars that simply never seem to disappear. Many Civics from the late 1990s and early 2000s are still commuting every single day. But the next vehicle has become one of the most respected diesel machines ever built. 2. Mercedes-Benz W123 diesel. This isn't the kind of Mercedes most people picture. It isn't packed with giant screens. It isn't overflowing with technology. And that's exactly why it lasts. The W123 diesel became famous across Europe, Africa, and the Middle East because it could survive astonishing abuse. Taxi fleets loved it. Families trusted it. Mechanics admired its simplicity. Many owners have reported mileage figures that sound almost impossible. Some examples have exceeded 700,000 miles, while others pushed even further with proper care. Most modern luxury cars can't even dream of numbers like that. Which brings us to the car that quietly became the ultimate endurance champion. 1. Toyota Camry. It had to be the Camry. Millions have been sold. Millions are still on the road. And for good reason. Toyota focused on something many manufacturers forgot: consistency. Instead of chasing complicated technology, many Camry generations relied on proven engines that improved gradually over time. That meant fewer surprises and fewer catastrophic failures. Mechanics constantly recommend older Camrys to buyers searching for dependable transportation because they know these cars respond incredibly well to regular maintenance. Oil changes, timing belt or chain maintenance when required, cooling system care. Do those things, and a Camry can just keep going. There are countless documented examples surpassing 500,000 miles, and a surprising number continue climbing toward even higher milestones. Perhaps the biggest lesson isn't that one manufacturer is perfect. It's that longevity isn't always about horsepower or luxury. Sometimes it's about smart engineering, simple designs, and owners who take care of what they drive. The next time someone tells you every car is finished after 150,000 miles, remember these 10 machines. Because for them, that might just be the warm-up. What makes the Camry truly remarkable isn't just that it reaches high mileage, it's how effortlessly it gets there. Many owners pass these cars down to family members because they still start every morning without drama. That's why mechanics often call the Camry one of the safest long-term investments you can make in the used car market.